We are solving question from GATE 2019 Electronics. It is a 2 marks question and it is based on MOSFET, NMOS transistor. So these are the two circuits given. This is Vout1, this is Vout2. So we have to find the value of Vout1 and Vout2. And we are given that the threshold voltage of each NMOS transistor is 0.6 volt. So what happens is that in NMOS, the direction of current is from drain to source. This is drain terminal, this is source terminal is normally grounded, and this is gate terminal. So the direction of the current is from gate to source. The direction of current is from drain to source. So obviously the potential of drain is greater than the potential of the source terminal in NMOS, because the direction of current is from drain to source. So the potential of the drain is greater than voltage of source. VD is greater than Vs. This is about N channel MOSFET. So VD is greater than Vs. Also in N channel MOSFET, this is pass transistor. This is one pass transistor, this is another pass transistor. Similarly in this figure also, these are the three pass transistors. So for pass transistors, Vg minus Vs should be equal to Vt. So Vs is equal to Vg minus Vt. So if we look about this transistor, then this is the gate voltage. So it is Vg1. Let's name it as Vg1. So Vg1 is 3 volt. And threshold voltage of each of the NMOS transistor is 0.6 volt. So Vs1 should be equal to 3 minus 0.6. So it should be equal to 2.4 volt. Now this terminal has to be drain terminal because it is connected to 3 volt. So this is drain 1. Because potential of drain has to be greater than potential of source. And this voltage has to be 2.4 volt because it is the source terminal. So we have found out the potential at this point. Because the voltage of source has to be 2.4 volt. So this terminal has to be drained because it is connected to 3 volt. So this is 2.4 volt. Now this source 1 is acting as gate for the second transistor. So it is Vg2. This source terminal for first transistor is acting as gate for second transistor. So Vg2, Vs2 is equal to Vg2 minus Vt. And Vg2 is 2.4 volt. So it is equal to 2.4 minus 0.6 because threshold voltage of each of the transistor is given as 0.6 volt. So this terminal is again drain. This value will be equal to 1.8 volt. So this terminal is again drain. So drain terminal, this is the drain terminal and this is the source terminal. So this is D2, this is S2. So this source is connected to Vout1. So obviously value of Vout1 is 1.8 volt. So we have found out the value of Vout1. Just use the concept that for NMOS the voltage of source is greater than voltage of drain and voltage of source for pass transistor is given by Vg2 minus Vt. These are all the pass transistors. Now in this circuit again, this is 3 volt, so it is Vg1. This is Vg2. This is Vg3. So again we don't have to find the source voltage for these terminals, but we can find. So this has to be drain because it is connected to 3 volt, and this has to be source because its voltage will be 2.4 volt. Because again threshold voltage is 0.6, so Vg minus Vs will be 2.4. So this is terminal, this is acting as drain for second channel. So again this has to be 2.4 volt because this voltage is also 2.4 volt. So again this voltage Vg3 is given. So 3 minus 0.6, so again 2.4 volt. because this is 3 volt, and if we subtract 0.6 volt, because if this is the gate terminal, so if we subtract 0.6 volt from the threshold voltage, then we can directly found the 2.4 volt. In this question, in this figure we don't even have to find these source voltages, because for this question directly the gate voltage is given to us as 3 volt, so we have to directly subtract Vg minus Vt. So this is the source terminal, so the voltage will be 3 minus 2.4 volt, so this will be equal to 2.4 volt. 3 minus 0.6 volt, so it will be equal to 2.4 volt. So V out 2 is equal to 2.4 volt. So V out 2 is equal to 2.4 volt. So this was very easy question, and it was MCQ based, so we can directly put the option. So thank you, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please leave, if you have any doubt, then you can leave the comment in the comment box. Thank you and best of luck for exams.